Hey everyone, it's Tracy from Country Charm by Tracy. Welcome to my channel. Today I have two projects that I want to share with you using these little Easter eggs from the Dollar Tree. The first one is this little bunny family. Now I know it is extremely cheesy. I just think that, but when I saw the cute little faces, I thought, oh, that would make such a cute little family. So this is how I kind of put it together. Okay, here's everything I used for this project. This little hat from the Dollar Tree, this square styrofoam, as well as these Easter eggs. I liked white, but I got pink because I'm the only girl. These plant pokes, some Excelsior, which also kind of looks like hay, and then those carrots are from Hobby Lobby. Okay, the little hat, that's the top of the hat, so that's going to be the bottom of my project. So the square styrofoam fits perfectly in there. So what I wanted to kind of add a little character, I'm just bending the part of the brim of the hat where the flower is, and I just put some hot glue, and then to hold it, I'm putting a T-pin in there. I covered the styrofoam and just kind of shoved this little Excelsior moss in the hat, and I like the little rustic look of this. I glued the plastic eggs shut using some Aleene's tacky glue. Okay, using my black Sharpie marker, I'm showing you here, this is one way that helps me identify what are my newest Sharpie markers. So I just put a little piece of washi tape on them. So now I am just writing our last name and just doodling that up here. This is a plant poke. You can get them at the Dollar Tree, and they work great for little signs like this. Now I am just placing my little bunny family in the little basket or little hat, just figuring out the little placement that I want them. And then that grass I found at a local dollar store, and it just little pieces of it pop off, and it's perfect for this little project. The second project I want to share with you are these DIY farmhouse decorations. Aren't they the cutest? I was totally inspired to create some for myself when I saw them over on Fresh Picked Farmhouse's channel. I will leave a link in the description below so that you can check out her video. They are so stinking cute and actually really pretty easy to put together. So what I used is some paint from Walmart, the chalk paint, the plaster, as well as the mineral. And then for the little bunnies, I used some of those are from the Dollar Tree, and to get the faces off, I just used some nail polish remover. The little terracotta pots are also from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just taking my paint and I'm just going to paint the outside of the pot, as well as just maybe about a half an inch down on the inside of the pot. Just enough for, if any of you can see through the little grass. Okay, here's what worked for me. I'm just taking some clothespins and I put that on one of the ears, and then that gave me something to hold on to so I could paint my little bunnies. And then I just kind of set them inside another little can or whatever you may have that you can, have them stand up so that they can dry. I added a bit of distressing to the little terracotta pots using some of this Waverly mineral paint, and just kind of brushed it on with my fingers. I really was just kind of going for the messy look, so I kind of think I accomplished that. Some of the pots have a little bit more than the others, but you can use a brush, you can use a sponge, you can, you don't even have to put this on. It's just totally up to you. It just kind of gives it a little aged look. Aren't these turning out so stinking cute? Yes, they are. Okay, so in my little pot, I am just putting some hot glue, and I'm using reindeer moss, but you can use whatever you have. And I just kind of made just a little hole in the middle, and I'm putting a generous amount of hot glue, and I'm just going to set that inside that little reindeer moss. Now, reindeer moss is, it's just very flaky and it just kind of gets everywhere. So if you have something, that greenery that is maybe a little bit more substance to it, that isn't so, but this is what I had on hand, and that's what worked for me. And also I added some jute around the little clay pot and tied a little bow, and we're done. I absolutely love these little DIY farmhouse decorations. I appreciate you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are new. I'd love to have you, and we will talk to you soon. God bless.